guys. So we're in a bit of a situation. I wouldn't say it's too alarming, but I suppose into the more recent trading price action, if we take a look here, we've had this triangle over here. Um, we've tried to make a breakout. We didn't quite get there, so we've had a bit of a breakout, fake out moment, followed by this dirty river of red candles. And now we've broken through the support, which has now become resistance once again. Will we bounce back? Will we make it through the upside? Midterm, long term, still I'm very bullish. I have no reason not to be. We've seen these corrections a few times. Sometimes Bitcoin just has to steam off. It's just completely normal. So we don't know. Maybe it's the weekend, and maybe that's why we have a lack of trading volume. We didn't see any increase in trading volume. We needed to see at least around this much, but we just did not see any. So unfortunately, there's been no break to the upside that we have been looking for. I mean, if we zoom out, guys, come on, let's not worry. Let's not let the activity on the market make you react. We want to be proactive, have a strategy. Everything needs to be pragmatic and logical. So, we had this huge crash here. If you reacted and sold here, and then you bought back in up here, then you're losing money. You just need to not react in the market. You need to give things time. When people are greedy, you should be fearful. When others are fearful, you should be greedy. You should be buying and accumulating within those dips within the bull market. So yeah, there was a lack of volume. We didn't make it, unfortunately. But that's just a little update. Not all is lost. But looking at Ethereum, we have something a bit more significant short term. So we've got this kind of head and shoulders pattern forming, as you can see right here. So this is a bearish reversal. So if we do break down on these support levels down to the downside, if this dirty dumpage keeps on going, then I think we're going to come around this level here, just taking the length of the tip of the head through the neckline. Oh my god, that sounded so bad. So I'm just going to check on the fib retracement just to see if this is actually accurate, guys. I don't want to give you inaccurate information, but yeah, I would say that's about right. I mean, we've got a lot of support and resistances here. So if we come down, maybe we're going to test this level of 1,060 pounds, which is probably around 1,450 US dollars. So again, not too alarming. I mean, we've seen this before. We've traded within this range for a long time. So it could be a buying opportunity. Who knows? And another chart, I hate to bring this one up because I just feel like it has flaws, and we've only got 2 points of data. I guess there's a third one over here, but it's a logarithmic regression, I suppose. And it does demonstrate the perfect accumulations and the halvings, the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. So looking at this, it does kind of show we still have time on our sides. Nothing to worry about there. So time is still on our sides. We don't know if we might see something similar to this, where we had like a two-peak bull market, or whether it's just going to be really intense and rise sharply like so. We don't know what's going to happen yet, but either way, we're still early. If history plays through, we're going to follow something similar to this, and we've got to come into this red territory at some point. If it does, it's possible for 135,000 Bitcoin in terms of its maximum price. So, of course, the longer it takes for us to get there, the higher the maximum value would be. But there's another thing I just wanted to look at, guys, and also the Bitcoin dominance. We're losing a bit of Bitcoin dominance within the market. So maybe it's going to give a bit of breathing space for those other coins to finally do a bit of dancing, do some things. Ethereum, for instance, maybe this is going to come up in the short term and revisit these levels of 17 to 20. I really hope so, to be honest. Going back to the trading view, even though we're seeing this drop, the Ether Bitcoin value is still holding firmly, which is very important. I explained this in my other video, guys, about this this kind of rising channel that we've got. This is critical for Ethereum's price, because if this candle on the weekly can finish green, which is going to, if the next following candles are also green, we're going to be heading up to here. So this is great, guys. I just thought I would give us a quick update video because I don't want us to be panicking. I don't want people to be, reacting with fear. So just stay calm and hodl on, because we have time on our sides, and hopefully things will keep moving to the upside. So keep up to date with the news, guys. Keep up to date with Twitter. Keep yourself very informed in this market and just stay level-headed. That's the best thing to do. So once again, thank you for joining me on this video. Please do smash a like, smash the subscribe button, and I'll be checking in again